start playing something. Okay. So, hey. So, I did some basic tapping along to Three Little Birds. Because sometimes I get in the mood not to worry about anything. Okay? But tomorrow I want to start a new project, so I had to play along to that song on the video in order to feel like I'm finished with this project. So now I'm finished with reggae because I learned today from Rob Brown that reggae is a feel. It's not playing this one. It's not playing the kick on the two, on the whatever, the 2 and the 4. It's not. That kick is on a drop beat. It's the drop. Is it called the drop beat? I don't know. Rob Brown. He's a really great drummer. So that kick is on the 3. It's a drop beat. I learned that, and also I muffled my kick drum because it had too much resonance. Way too much resonance. You know what? Sometimes you might want that much resonance, and sometimes you might not. So I've learned so many lessons in these lessons, more lessons on top of lessons on top and top of lessons. And I felt like there were about 3 other things I wanted to tell you. Oh, Steven Taylor. Steven Taylor has a lot of great lessons. He might be my favorite person to learn from on YouTube. Steven Taylor. But there's also Brandon Taylor, who's a drummer. So I wasn't so far off the other night when I was trying to give credit to the hi-hat lesson for trying to get an optimum hi-hat sound. That was one thing I wanted to say. I think there's one more, but I don't have it here. It's not right up front. So that's all. I'm gonna work on something else tomorrow. I'm not sure exactly yet, but I need to feel finished with reggae. So thank you, reggae. You're more of a feel, but I need to listen to some different music tomorrow. I just do. Okay. Thanks, bye. Where's the off?